Farragut Foot and Ankle is a place to come if you have any kind of foot or ankle problem.
This is Dr. Andrew Carver from Farragut Foot and Ankle. I'm in Washington, D.C., Dr. Andrew Carver. I'd like to talk about the most common infection in the human body and the most difficult infection to get rid of. It's called onychomycosis. It's a fungus infection of the nails. It's kind of gross, as most people would say. They can start off looking like this. I don't know if you can get a good shot of that, but this was an actual patient of mine. Starts off, this is a young, attractive female, young, 35, 37. And this is what happened after a few months of treatment. We got to that point. So this is one of the most difficult problems in the human foot to get rid of, this infection. Most orthopedists, podiatrists, dermatologists, internists don't get rid of it. After 35 years of doing this, I found out there are several things that you really have to do to get rid of it, and there's something you have to do to keep it from coming back. So what I do is I reduce the nail with a power instrument. I put an acid on the nail. I put patients on a laser that attaches to the entire nail. It's called a no-mirror laser. I find that that's the only laser that really works. And sometimes a mini dose of a pill called Lamisil, if it's a severe case. After that is done 3 times, after that the patient has to be on a topical, certain topicals, to keep it from coming back. This disease, it comes to you because you don't have an immune system to fight it. Couples sleep in the same bed for 30 or 40 years. One gets a terrible fungal infection, like this, of the nails, and the other has perfect nails. So we know it has to do with a weak immune system. So the real key, other than fixing it, which is you have to do carefully with certain things, the real key is constant topical. You brush your teeth, you put a topical on your nails. That's the key to getting rid of fungal nail disease or onychomycosis. I'm Dr. Andrew Carver. I'm at Farragut Foot and Ankle in Washington, D.C. My phone number is 202-296-2424, and my website is drandrewcarver.com. Be happy to see you if you want me to take a look at your problem. Thank you very much for listening.
Farragut Foot and Ankle is the state-of-the-art facility for treatment of these issues.